dear, do you know that there are 26 letters and each letter has a name and makes a sound?
Yay!
In this lesson, you will learn about the letter A to M and some objects that begins with these letter sounds. Let's begin. Letter A, sound A, as in ankle. B, sound B, as in belt. C, sound K, as in comb. D, sound D, as in dog. E, sound E, as in elbow. F, sound F, as in face. G, sound G, as in game. And H, sound H, as in heart. I, sound A, as in ink. J, sound J, as in jug. K, sound K, as in key. L, sound L, as in lip. And M, sound as in mouth. You have learned the letter names, their sounds and words with them. Note this, while most words take the letter sounds, some words begin with a letter name. For example, the word ape takes the letter name A. The word eyes take the letter name I. Oat, does it take the sound O or the letter name O?
Oh!
You are correct. It takes the letter name O. Now, to learn about the letter name and sounds of all other alphabets, play the next video.